Hello and welcome to Maths Plus. Today we're differentiating. First of all, we're going to differentiate the square root of x. Let's look at the indices. We know that the square root of x is equal to x to the power of a half. Now let's rewrite the statement. Now we can see the power. To apply the differentiation rule, we need to do it in two definite steps. The first step would be to bring down the power, and the second step would be to subtract 1 from the original power. So in this case, we will get 1/2 x to the power of 1/2 minus 1, which is equal to 1/2 x to the power of minus 1/2. The indices rule for negative powers. If we have a negative, we can rewrite it with a reciprocal. Therefore, the final statement is 1/2 square root x, because the half is returned and we have a square root. On to the next one. If we start with the 1/x squared dx, again, let's look at the true power. So 1/x to the power of p is equal to x to the power of minus p. Okay, so we can rewrite it as such: x to the power of minus 2 dx. Now it's ready to go. Let's differentiate it with the two powers again. So the number will go down in front and multiply down, so we get minus 2. Okay, step 1 complete, and step 2 will be to subtract 1 from the original power. So therefore you can see that it will be negative. Again, minus 3. All we have to do now is rearrange everything. So the minus 2 is a number that can stay above as the denominator, and x to the 3 will go below as it's the reciprocal power. Okay, and finally, let's look at this one. The 1/the square root of x. Okay, so don't be fazed by this one. We already have every aspect of it covered already in this video. Let's rearrange it. So it's going to be, the true power will be x to the half because it's a square root, and negative because it's a reciprocal. Okay, so now it's ready to go again. Let's apply the differentiation. So minus 1/2, multiply down your power, and now let's subtract 1 from the original power, and we will get minus 1/2 x to the power of minus 3/2. Let's rearrange everything again. So the 2 can go below. Place that below first of all. It's minus 1 above. Okay, and now the x to the power of 3/2 will be rearranged as such. So we have x to the power of p over q, and that will be the square root of q root and p amount. Okay, so let's apply this down here. So the 3 will go with the power and the x because it's above, matching the p. The negative will bring it down, and it will be a square root as well. Thank you for joining Maths Plus. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.